and I'm a chartered accountant. I started up with trading in stock market in around January 2015, and like many other traders, I followed news to make my trades, but I ended up in making huge losses. Then I came in contact with Rajeev sir, and I took the positional strategy classes with him. The best part of the strategy is, friends, that you need not to know any technical analysis or any technical knowledge regarding the stock market. You need not to follow any technical indicators or any specialized softwares. It's just a plain simple basic strategy that can make good profits on monthly basis. The return on the strategy is really good. I was so impressed with the strategy that I even took the intraday trading strategy with Rajeev sir. Plus, the best part of the strategy is, friends, that you can follow in share market, you can follow in indexes, futures, as well as the commodity market as well. I even took a few trades in crude and gold and ended up in profits. So friends, I completely trust this strategy that Rajeev sir has told me, and I'm even looking forward for other strategy classes with Rajeev sir, especially option strategies, etc. So that's it, friend. And I still thank so much to Rajeev sir for his continued support to me and the strategy he taught me. Thanks, friends. Thank you so much.